How to convert coins on crypto.com. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you have to go on and open crypto DEFI wallet, that crypto.com wallet, that is a DEFI wallet. You have to click it on and it will open like this. Then you have to enter your passcode. Let me enter my passcode first. Now as I have entered my password, now over here this is my wallet. Then I have the NFT option, and over down in this option I have another option, that is the swap option. I have to go on the swap option. Now I have to select the thing that I want to trade. Let's say I am going to select the Ethereum coins and then confirm it, and then I want to turn it to or buy out whatever I want. Now I have to select the token. Now I have to select a token that I want to swap this for. Let's say I am going for Blue Protocol or like Bitcoins or whatever, or Binance USD. So I have to click on this and then I have to click on swap. If I have the available budget, it will change it to that coin. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.